It's Manilyn Zamora Vlogs. So for today's video, let's have unboxing Shopee clothes. One of my favorite one of my favorite guys unboxing since it's been a month I guess na hindi pa ako nakapag-unbox, and finally nabili ko na po yung mga nasa cart ko. Ayan, if you're interested to see those clothes, just keep on watching, and of course don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel sa mga bago, and please ring the bell as well para always po kayong updated sa mga latest post or vlogs ko. Ayan guys, huwag na po nating patagalin to. Umpisahan na po natin. Tara! So ayan guys, umpisahan na po natin yung ating unboxing. And dito po yung nabili ko from Shopee. It has 10 quantities for only 803. Ayan po, 803 pesos. Ayan, medyo hindi siya clear. Ayan, 803 lang po ito guys. For 10. So, murang-mura lang po. So, if you divide it by 10, 803 divided by 10, so 80 pesos lang. Oh my gosh. Actually, I also have discounts. Kaya ganun po. Pero, most of them are less than 100 pesos. Kaya for sure, ayan, ilang peraso ba yung mga na-order ko?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So, a total of 10 clothes, guys, yung na-order ko sa Shopee for only 803 pesos. So, I'm going to share the store that I have bought these clothes. Ayan. So, umpisahan po natin, guys. Let's start with the dresses. Ayan. So, first is this one. Ayan, guys. It's very stretched. Talagang napansin nyo, napakahilig ko talaga sa mga tawag nito, sa mga garterized na mga damit. It's garterized dito po banda as well as dito sa baba. So, I guess it will fit from small to XL sizes. As you can see, ayan, very stretched din po siya dito banda. Ayan, hindi po siya gaano mahaba. Ayan, yung size niya is just normal size. And ang ganda po ng color. I think it's pink. Marami pong favorite ang pink. And isa na po ako dun sa favorite ang pink. Kaya guys, sukatin natin.
Yeah. Came in 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money. Somebody ever owed you some money? Give me my money. Hey, check this out though. I gave you 10 a week ago.
Our next sabi ko na, ayun, magkakamali na naman ako sa pronunciation. Pero anyway, our next one is white. The same style po siya sa kanina. Ayan, mahilig po kasi akong umorder ng kapag nagustuhan ko siya. So, different color po yung mga kinukuha ko. Ayan. But, this time is white. Ano, mahilig ako sa white, black, pink, ganon. Ayan guys, very stretchable. And the same lang din po to. It will fits from small to XL sizes. Kaya let's try also this one if how does it look like compared to pink. Our third one is also the same with our first and second. Another tawag nito guys, another dress. And this time is black. I also love black kasi nakakaputi po siya kapag white. Black I mean. Ayan, the same po. Kaya tingnan po natin, pero parang mas maliit siya. Ayan, sa makikita nyo. But I think it will also fits from small to XL sizes. Guys, the prices will be posted on the caption. Ayan, para at least makita nyo po kung magkano po to. Yan, 99 pesos lang ito guys. Nabili ko po sa Shopee. Ayan, sa mga mahilig din po sa mga ganito, just visit the store. Ayan, sukatin natin.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone.
Our fourth is the same. Ayan, but this time is maroon. In fairness, no, ang dami kong binili na the same style, pero different colors. I just love the style. I thought kasi na mahaba ito, mga above, below the knee, pero maliit pala siya. Ayan, hindi ko na ini-expect. But, the clothing naman guys is nice, cotton, and of course, ayan, stretchable siya. So, for sure, magkakasya sa akin. Kasi medium naman ako, medium to large size, I guess. Ayan, and very stretchable. So, for sure, magkakasya siya. So, sukatin din natin to. And our next one is another dress. Ayan, but this time is floral dress siya guys, but tube. Ayan, mahihilig din pa ako sa mga tube kasi pinipair ko po yun ng mga blazers or mga jackets. Guys, mga denim or not. Maganda po kasi siya tignan. And what I love about this is very stretchable. Ayan, stretchable siya. For sure, it will fit from small to XL sizes. Ayan, very stretch po. And the color, I really love pink. Pink po siya nakalagay doon, but is you can see parang orange po siya. Compared to my dress, ayun, na pink talaga. But it's really nice, kapamilya. Kaya let's try it also. Our next one are tops. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, it's maroon. Talaga naman, nahihilig ako sa maroon, no? Napapansin nyo ba yun? Pansin na pansin ko. And as well as pink. Ayan, pink, white, black. Parang mga ganun lang din lagi kong mga binibili, guys. And I really love stretchable. Para at least, diba, kasya kahit, ayan, tumataba na ako. Ayan, it could be off shoulder, guys. Or pwede din po siyang ganun. What I love about this is, ayan, meron po siyang design dito guys. 3-layer design. And it's also garterized here banda. Ayan, at saka dito. And crop top po siya actually. Yan, you can pair it with mga high waist na mga jeans, skirts, or shorts. It's very nice kasi it's very stretchable. So for sure, it will fit from small to XL sizes. Sa mga mahilig din po mag-crop tops, just like me. Kaya let's try this one. Next one guys is also a crop top or a top, but this time it's color block and different design from the one I have shown you kanina kasi it has 3-layer garter here. Pero ito po, isa lang po. Meron din po siyang garter dito banda, ayan, sa baba. And it's 3/4. And the same to kanina guys, stretchable din siya dito. It could be off shoulder or square size sa pagsuot. And meron po siyang ribbon dito banda. So you can adjust it if gusto niyo po ng mas maliit sa inyo. So you can make it up to dito. And it's very stretchable again. So for sure it will fit from small to XL sizes sa mga mahilig dyan sa mga crop tops. So let's try this one. How does it look like? Yes, our next one is skirt one. Ayan, nakapag-order din po ako ng skirt. I love this guys when I saw this one on the store kasi it feels so Korean, char. Pero ayan, okay lang na naman siya. Stretch lang siya, garterized po siya sa bewang, and the style guys is nice. Ayan, and at the back, plain lang po siya. Sa harap po yung merong mga pleats na ganito. So, let's try this one guys. How does it look like? And maliit po siya ha. I should pair this with mga cycling shorts, mga ganon. Another top guys, it's tube. Ayan, I thought it's not very tawag nito garterized guys, but ayan, garter po talaga lahat. Mahilig din po ako sa mga yellow or mustard pala. Ayan, very stretch po siya, as well as sa baba kasi nga garterized. Ayan, for sure ingatan na po siya sa paglalaba kasi for sure madali po itong masira. Ayan, pero mura lang naman siya, kaya pwede kayong mag-purchase ulit. Ayan, so let's try this one. Mahilig din po ako sa mga tube guys. Ayan, as I have shown you before on my vlogs. Ayan, pero I pair it most of the time with mga blazers or mga jackets. Kaya, let's try it. And our last is jogger pants. Ayun, ang ganda niya po sa actually ang ganda niya po sa picture. Nakita ko meron po siyang yung i-order ko actually is merong mga something cut po siya dito sa gitna, but then this one is plain. So you should not expect too much, but ayun, okay lang naman kasi garterized din po siya dito sa baba.
Yeah.
So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy, and please give a thumbs up on this one if you like this video. And thanks to all my family, friends, to all my members who always supported me, and of course to all watching this video right now. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and see you again on my next vlog. Bye bye.